The problem with the rain is not so much the tarp leaking. The problem is that because it's not a peak, it's filling up here. It's not leaking, but what it is doing is pulling up the bloody side, because just now that was down here. It was filled up, it rained that hard, that heavy. Was that a drip? Please don't tell me this thing's leaking. I actually woke up and I thought, am I sitting in a puddle? And I'm not wet, but I did feel as if I was, lying in a puddle. It doesn't feel wet inside.
That's what she said.
But I can feel a little bit of rain coming in, but it's coming in from this end because it's been pulled up. If it fills up with water, this bit comes down, and then this bit gets pulled up, and so I get water coming in that side. Fortunately, I noticed, woke up a little bit. I keep thinking I can see rain coming down, but it's not leaking. Pretty sure it's not leaking. And that was hammering down pretty. Was that a bug? Okay, I think there's a bug in here or something floating around. Rather than, I thought it was like a raindrop. No, it's a bug. It's quite a big bug actually. What is? Or is that a spider? I think it's a spider. I wanted to pee. Oh well, I think it's a spider. Yeah, go down that end, out of the way. Yeah, that is a bit of an issue. That is when it is benefited to actually have it pulled out tight, which I don't have. I mean, it's not that much of a problem. Are you building a nest or what? Are you actually a spider or are you just like a moth or something? Oh, you're a fly. Oh well, you can buzz off. Right. Well, it hammered down. And it's still raining. It's not as bad. It's just a pain with this filling up. And there's not much I can really do about it, really. Because I've got it tied underneath the hammock and not tied down to the ground or to branches, it's a bit of a pain. But it's not a big deal, really. I'm under the oven ready thing, so I'm not going to get wet. I did feel like I was getting wet at one point, but I don't know. See, that end is fine. That's completely covered. No chance. I mean, I can see moisture coming down the tree. So my shirt is probably going to get wet this time out. But I'm not going to get wet. This end is pretty much alright. It's just this little gap here. But I want that gap for fresh air. It's still raining. It's not as bad as it was. Most of it's getting held off by the holly trees. It's now about midnight. I'm just glad I got my little torches. Little torches. This thing is so bright. It's ridiculous. And we've got bloody fly on. Hopefully it's buzzed off somewhere. Right. And because of my setup, I'm not going to lean over and get my cock out for a piss. Simply because, is that a slug? I don't want to piss on the rain tarp. It's that simple. So it's going to mean sitting and trying to aim a little bit. I'm not hoping it's not slugs. I don't like slugs. They're annoying. Yeah, I'm trying to think if there's some way I could pull this tighter. But I can't really. That is the problem with this location. It's that the branches aren't quite cooperative. Well, the rain tarp's keeping the rain out. Oh, there it is. Why? It's just a bit of a pain in the ass. I think it's where it's coming in here that I felt it on my face and it woke me up. So I dozed off for half an hour. I mean, basically, I sleep maybe 2 hours. Oh, fuck off, fly. That's about it. And the rest of the time I just led here. And it's nice daydreaming. It's kind of relaxing. So, yeah. Time to pee. Maybe bapper that fly down the other end. Come on, fuck off. No, I don't know where it landed. Don't be inside. Go down there. Okay. God, that is a really, really chill wind. It's one of those winds where you can feel it's a winter wind. Yeah, that's I know it sounds really old man speech, north wind. But it's, you can feel the cold in the air. Christ, that is cold. But then I am kind of naked. See, there's not much rain. Oh, fly. I think it just buggered off. Yeah, the rain is not that much water on the tarp. And the fly came back. Fuck off, fly. You better not be in my bloody foil. Fuck. Yeah, compared to the outside temperature, inside my little tarp tent, it's a massive temperature difference. Oh, because when you feel that breeze come in. Yeah, there's nothing I can do about that tonight. Well, there is, I just can't be asked. It's that simple. I'm not desperate enough to deal with it. This filled up so much earlier that I thought it was with my ex, that it was down to like this sort of level, and I could actually feel it. But it's a case of if you pull too much on the tarp, it can damage it. That's the problem. If you focus it in one place, that looks weird. And then just give it a smack and it's gone. Is that another fly or is that the same one? Fuck off. Look things. I don't like bugs. Yeah.